I have struggling with this project for 3 days, and these 3 days I have not recorded anything because I have a second monitor and write code and directly and inspect the UI directly is much more efficient and makes me a better experience. And in this video, I will summarize some tips for myself about this project. The first one is every time in coding, I need to execute the open action from disk, so I catch the video into the indexed DB with a workspace. So here is the solution, and I restore the video from cache, and another problem just arose. I don't know how to speak my English. Yes, the problem is that the video reload from the indexed DB, it can't play. So the first thing I think about is that the media data may be vary from the text data of subtitles. So I just asked the AI and improve the storage of the video from a file object to array buffer, and to make sure the video is correctly stored. And I found that in the Chrome Canary, will face the problem of the storage limit. And in the formal version of Chrome, it is successfully saved. And this is the first problem. And the second is about the UI, the detail. I just come up with some idea. It's just that the first version of VI write the code have some problem. Is that the subtitle file cannot scroll correctly, and most of the time I think that is the people cannot describe the problem very clear. So I especially for the people like me cannot describe this bugs or problem correctly. Finally, I find this is a very small CSS bug. It's about the style. It's in the it's not this one. In there, in here. The problem is that the CSS property. So here will cause the UI problem that can scroll to the head of the box. And I don't know how to describe it. Finally, I figured out this problem by experience of debug, and I just come up with an idea is that maybe the AI in the future will have some functionality of inspect the UI, just record a small size of the UI, and to make the AI can read the problem much more correctly and in detail. Most of the time, I ask AI to solve problem just by my guessing or not, or I don't know how to say. And another problem is that the timeline. I finally find out the why the video don't play. It's because the timeline this component looks like a little bit heavy, so it stacks the media play, and I just remove it. The video can work as usual. So I plan to extract the logic, especially the canvas painting, to the web worker, and and the AI, the first version, he give me a very terrible code. The first time he write a code to write a file to check the browser compatibility, whether the browser supports the off-screen canvas feature and the web workers feature, and he just create a new instance about the off-screen canvas and don't clean it up, so he will cause a error of recreating that multiple off-screen canvas. So I was struggle with this problem for hours, and finally is that I don't look the code AI generated carefully, so it wastes a lot of times, and especially when the code have a lot of detail, it may have a lot of errors. So I decided to write it more carefully, and I will take over the most job of the timeline component, and in the another video.